Guys, I want to teach you how to steal alpha. Yes, I do this secretly. I don't know why I'm revealing it now. Yes, I just want to, just for the culture. I just want to help you guys. If you want to get alphas that I do post, you can do research on your own. But to make it easier, check at Big Ray's account. Check Big Ray account. All the alphas are there for you. How to get started? Very easy. Just read and do the needful. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I told you guys to secure your spot on fast protocol. Today let's sign up and meet the SBT. Let's get straight into the video. Link and then add it to your browser. Click on claim. You follow them on Twitter. You connect. Wait. You refresh. I was refreshing, so you have to refresh and refresh. And then you acknowledge. So claiming already. You have to wait. Just wait for the stuff to claim. You click on fast. That's your referral link. So immediately you meet your SBT. There are other tasks for you to do there. Make sure you go to their Discord to verify that you have mint the NFT. You add your wallet. Claim all the role on Discord and the rest of the tasks on the website. And that's all for today. Bye.